Of course, we can't do anything about those natural hazards that coming in our country. But one thing that we know for sure is that we can do something in order to capacitate the people, to make them resilient in their own way, so that we could minimize the risk.
In times of calamities, we can lower the risks, also to lower the damages that will be happening in the communities. When I was still around 15 years old, where a strong typhoon hit our city here in Iloilo, and it was a hard time because we were very damaged in our home, and actually some of our neighbors were already sleeping on their rooftops because of the flood. There are also times wherein the disaster would be somewhat late to arrive because of the strong winds and the typhoon. There is a need for not just for people in our community, but also for everyone to know what to do so that we can lower the risks, also to lower the damages that will be happening in the communities.
We are going to have 2 community simulations. It will be like the situation, the disaster is happening, and we're going to tell them and teach them how to execute things for their own safety and the community as well.